excited to interview an athlete who plays tennis. She recently won a championship award in USJR and is now preparing for her upcoming regional competition. In this interview, we will learn about her background, lifestyle, training, and advice for those who want to stay active and healthy when it comes to physical fitness. So now, let us welcome our interviewee. So thank you so much for being here to this interview. So can you please introduce yourself to us?
Hi, good evening everyone. So my name is Janely Alon. I am 18 years old. I live in Binaubao, Bantayan, Cebu. And I am a varsity player in San Jose Recolatos. That's it.
Okay, so you're an athlete, and so how did you start playing tennis?
So when I took it to pot, it's me with where I am today. Think about a little girl with a big dream in the future. And in many ways, I have no concept of what I was aiming for, but I knew in my heart and I trust. At the age of 11, I began my journey. I was yes, that's it. When I was 11,
Let's talk about your exercise and training. So, how often do you train as an athlete and exercise? How many days do you exercise in a week?
for me, which is balance is the key. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we have a start training and in the morning, 5 a.m.
Mhm.
Then have practice drills, ladder and a serve, backhand, and the um, gym. And then TTH, we have a jogging, like 1 hour jog. Then we have a morning, afternoon, we have a cardio fitness. And that's
That's a lot of exercise. For you, what's the most important exercise in your training?
actually in tennis, we have a footwork.
Mhm.
So legs, then have a ladder exercise. That's very important to a varsity player in tennis. You are a tennis player, so the most important thing, which is the legs, footwork, and this year serve.
You
That's
serve.
it.
Okay. So, how does being an athlete affect your daily lifestyle?
To be honest, I struggle a lot. ACADS and also the training and also the sleep because I have no time management and I have so many adjustments. The schools and the teammates, dorm mates, so I struggle a lot. But it's take time to practice, then to have um, good time with myself.
You mentioned that you feel stressed and you're still trying to cope up with your new environment. So, do you think
Yes.
doing an exercise will help?
Basically, yes, a big yes for me because um, our bodies need to be productive every day. Then, like we have and actually, like I still make 8 hours to sleep, so we have a productive day, and
So,
that's it.
okay, so you make sure to have an adequate
A
sleep. Okay, sorry. And we would love to hear some of your goals in life. So, currently, what's your goal as an athlete and especially for your upcoming regional competition?
okay. Um, champions is believing in themselves that no one else does. So that's my quote for today.
Thank you for
Um,
that.
then for my upcoming competition, I actually believe in God. Everything happens for a reason, even though the result was good or bad, but God is in there, and Just give your best in game and in drills. And that's it.
Okay, thank you. So, what advice would you give to students who want to live a more active lifestyle and feel motivated to do it?
I am a player, but I lose several times. But I believe myself to be my cheerleader and not to be afraid. So, friends, there are no reason to succeed. Success is a result of constant hard work and learn from failure. Then, failure is a teacher.
From you. So, what advice would you give to students who want to live a more active lifestyle?
So, um, give our best in every day. Then, I believe in hard work. So, hard work and dedication are the console of success. And you, if you believe yourself, even if people are adopting you in a society is pushing you down, but it's not really important. Believe yourself and choice with your heart, because success does not define a person how to succeed. And um, yes, Philippians 4 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And that's it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Janelle, for sharing your time and experiences with us. Good luck to your upcoming regional competition and God bless. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.